Alright, this is just a quick demonstration of how to disassemble the Canick TP9 SA. We're going to eject the magazine, decock the firearm, pull down on the takedown disassembly lever, and then the slide comes right off. Guide rod and recoil spring comes out, and then the barrel. So pretty easy. Putting it back together, just doing it all in reverse. Make sure that the narrow end of the guide rod is going into the front end of the slide. And then right here you'll want to make sure that the guide rod is straight, because when you're putting it back onto the receiver it can get caught onto some of these edges if it's not straight. And that's it.